Welcome to Cultivating Contentment. This is week 5, day 4, and our topic this week is the verdict. And our verse for today, continuing with our Jonah theme, is from Jonah 4, verse 3. Just kill me now, Lord. I'd rather be dead than alive if what I predicted will not happen. That's pretty strong. Just kill me now, Lord. So my question is Jonah's sulking doing any good, or is he just setting himself up as a stubborn and ridiculous figure? Maybe kind of like we do sometimes. Our quote for today comes from Patsy Claremont. Lord, help me not look for an easy way out, like a child seeking recess or a toddler searching for her pacifier. Help me to take responsibility before you and others for my actions and reactions. Thank you that I can choose to give up my childishness and instead experience childlike joy. So much difference between childishness and childlike joy. I don't know about you, but there is nothing like watching a baby laugh. They are just uninhibited and just laugh away, and it's just infectious. So I want to have that infectious joy. So our question for today, how would you describe the attitude of the children of Israel in the desert? And question 8, did the Israelites have any basis for their grievances? Much later, Isaiah challenges the complaints of God's people. What does he say in Isaiah 40:27? So again, this was a short day. I look forward to reading your responses. I was glad to see, or maybe I should say sad to see, that there are more sulkers out there than just me. Yeah, it's nothing I'm proud of, but it just happens, and I try to make it stop, but sometimes it just happens. So again, stay safe, stay healthy. Blessings to all of you, and I will talk to you tomorrow.